I am Nathaniel Franz, student nurse. May I know your name?
I'm Russell Estran.
I'll be assessing the blood flow in your arms and legs. It won't be painful and it will only take a few minutes. Shall we proceed?
Yes.
Provides clients privacy. Please lay down properly and appropriately. Uh, Wash hands. Do you have any history of heart disease?
No.
Uh, Varicose veins?
No.
Hypertension?
No.
Arterial problems?
No.
Do you smoke?
No.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes.
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
Now, I'll be inspecting your arms and legs for visible veins and while your limbs is dependent and elevated. Now, I will also be inspecting your skin for color, edema, and texture, and as well as skin changes. Now, I'll be palpating your pulse and compare each side. For the Homan's test, uh, I'll be flexing your feet and tell me if you feel any pain. Do you feel any pain in your calf?
No.
Now, do you feel any pain?
No.
The Homan's test is negative. Now for the skin color and temperature and capillary refill, it indicates that your blood flow is good. Now, for the Burgess test, please raise your one foot and ab- above heart level for 1 minute and move your feet uh, up and down. Now you're done. Let me help you sit properly and dangle your feet. Now, for the capillary refill test, I'll be squeezing your fingernails and toenails to see if the color will be normal in just 2 seconds. Now we're done. Please make yourself comfortable. Your circulation appears normal and I didn't find any abnormalities, but I will document the findings. Now I will wash my hands. I will now record your assessment and inform the physician if needed.